Good Tuesday morning, you guys. So I was up at 2:30 this morning, not feeling very well. So I'm probably actually going to head back to bed here in a minute. I figured I'd wait until the sun started coming up, but I've been sitting here in the dark, basically just watching stupid YouTube videos. And, it is what it is. I'm feeling a lot better actually right now than I was earlier, but I'm not going to be very adventurous today. Banner's hanging out in his little basket. He tried to take care of me this morning when I first got up, so he's a very sweet boy. Pippin is under the tree again. But, yeah, I'm going to keep it pretty low-key today. I'm not going to try to do too much. I might just sit here on the sofa. Who knows? My yarn for the Advent project's supposed to be here today, so maybe I'll get started on that after all. But like I said, I'm probably going to head back to bed here around 9 o'clock and hopefully get up by noon. But I've been doing some Christmas shopping on Amazon. I went down a number of rabbit holes trying to find gifts for people. I'm still struggling on what to ask for. So anyway, I love you guys. I'll check in with you guys when I get up. Hey guys, so nothing has really changed. I'm still kind of chilling, taking it easy here, working on my scarf. I'm almost through another color change. So, yeah, I'm sorry that we're even more boring than usual. At least the sun's up now. I mean, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm just sitting here chilling. Cats went out on the catio for a little while, enjoyed the sun, and I just brought them in, so now Banner's in there going to town on some treats, so. Anyway, hopefully the mail will get here soon, and I can maybe start that Advent project if I'm going to be stuck sitting, taking it easy for the next day or two. So anyway, love you guys, and I'll check in with you here in a little bit. Hey guys, so the mail just got here, and I thought I'd share with you what I purchased from Webs. I'm feeling okay, still not great. Kind of gone back and forth on that today. I'll have like an hour where I feel okay, and then I feel absolutely rancid. So anyway, they were running a sale, but I bought specifically for 2 projects. So I got 3 skeins or 3 hanks of this Malbrigo. I didn't Greek my bag or anything, so I'm trying to make sure I don't flip that over. So this is Royos in Aguas. It's a hunter green. Once again, the lighting here is not set up for filming, but this is for a very particular gift that I will need to make here in the probably springtime. I did get a ball of the Bamboo Pop sock from Universal Yarns. This was one that was on their Cyber Monday sale, and the color on this one is florals, and it's got some gray in there and some purple. I was wanting to test this out as a sock yarn. And then I've got 2 cream and Cascade 2020 Sport. I've got 2 reds. Cats! That's Pippin antagonizing Banner again. And then 2 greens. And that is for my Advent. So, I don't know that I feel... That looks so dark on camera. Like, these are black pants, and it looks almost black on camera. Oh, there it goes. It's starting to show the color. But I don't know that I'm really feeling up to getting started on this tonight, so I might go cake it up or something. I don't know. But I will have that available tomorrow if I need to take another day off. But I'm pretty excited. I really, like, it was one of those, I could have gone stupid, I could have gone crazy, but I literally stuck to my plan. They were doing a free shipping deal, and it seems like these were like 10% off or something. So I went ahead and bought these. I've actually been sitting on this for a while now, getting the yarn for that project. I needed to get 3. It's going to be a hat and a scarf for a very tall person. So hopefully 3 will be enough, in fact. And this one I just wanted to test out, as I don't have any of the bamboo pop socks. So anyway, I am going to, I just made myself a cup of honey chamomile tea because, of course, I forgot I was doing a tea advent. So we'll have 2 teas for tomorrow. But, I mean, it's life. I tell you guys all the time, I'm not going to hide. Life is life. Things happen. And I guess Vlogmas is one of the few opportunities I have to be honest and sharing how certain days go and how I have to be flexible with myself and stuff. So, I mean, I feel bad that Troy basically ate a turkey sandwich for dinner tonight because I couldn't cook, but like I said, I should hopefully be fine by tomorrow. If not, I'll be fine on Thursday. But it's the kind of pain that, like, it ramps up and you almost feel queasy, and then as you come back down, you're absolutely wiped out, and it hurts from my knee to just under my shoulder blade area. So it's hard to do a lot of things, and it's hard to get comfortable, and when the pain starts to flare up real bad, there's just nothing for it. It just is what it is. So anyway, a little depressing there. Don't mean to be depressing, but it is, part of life. So anyway, I am going to drop these into my basket for show and tell. By the time you see this, you will know that I did not upload my Yarnable ALC video today because I could not sit there and edit it and make sure I didn't say something stupid. So that will go up on Thursday. This will go up on Wednesday with Wednesday's video, I guess. Or maybe I'll just upload this one. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Maybe I can upload Yarnable ALC on Wednesday and then I'll do a Vlogmas on Thursday. Anyway, I'll figure that out when my brain's a little bit clearer, but I do want to try to get at least one of each of these caked up so we can get started. I truthfully only needed one of each for the advent. However, I was thinking if I'm making a Christmas stocking, I might want to make 2, even if I don't use the exact same pattern for the second one, but I did want to make sure I had the yarn for a matching one that was going to actually match and not be a completely different dye lot. So trying to think ahead, trying to be wise with my spending, but at the same time. And most of this, like, I think the Cascade yarn was $4.40 a hank, and they're 50-gram hanks. The bamboo pop was a closeout for $7.99. And the Malabrigo was $13.44. So the prices per hank really weren't that bad. It did kind of hurt me a little bit to have to spend that much at the end of the year, but that's okay, because I really wanted to make that stocking. So anyway, I should hopefully be able to at least get that cast on tomorrow and maybe get through days 1 and 2, and then we'll see where it goes from there. But I love you guys, and I will see y'all tomorrow morning. Oh, happy Thursday, or to Wednesday morning, whatever day it is today. So I feel about 90% better, which is good. I'm a little tired, so I still probably will need to take a nap today. I was up at 3:30, so yeah. But I do feel a lot better. I'm gonna kind of take it a little easy today, but I'm still gonna try to get some stuff done. So I did want to come in here I don't think I shared the tea yesterday, but I'm not sure what day. Today's the 6th, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, today's the 6th. So yesterday's tea was this chamomile vanilla manuka honey. Their chamomile honey teas, vanilla honey teas are amazing, and it's hilarious. So last night I just made myself a Twinings chamomile honey vanilla and didn't even pay attention to my advent calendar. And then I was laughing because I saw this was the tea that I forgot to even look at. So the thing behind it says, so many things to juggle, pause, breathe, and let the tea help sort out the riddle. And we do have another code, which I still need to check out. And then today's tea, is elderberry and echinacea. That sounds yummy. This is an easier way to do it. And the thing behind it says, as days get shorter, bring warmth with a cup of herbal wonder. So there we go. I've got prayer shawl tomorrow night. So I think one of the things I'm going to try to work on today and tomorrow is actually weaving in the ends on the last of the hats and scarves that I did on the Addie earlier this year, so I can get those turned in. My friend Peggy is working with a organization that specifically wants hats and scarves, and I still have 2 bins up there that I have not taken in. So I'm going to try to get those ready to take tomorrow night, and that way I can have those bins out of my guest room, which would be fantastic, and start getting things kind of tidied up in there. Finish getting the guest room put together. I've got to go through the closet. There's a ton of stuff in that closet that doesn't belong there. I do have the gift wrap box out, so I can start wrapping some of the gifts as they come in next week. But there's so much to do, little things to do. Got some laundry going, but it's big stuff. It's sheets, towels, stuff like that, so it won't take very long to do that. Either today or tomorrow, I'm going to try to run by the post office and check my mail, and I'm going to have to run by the grocery store to pick up a couple items. So we will have to leave the house at some point in the next 2 days. But anyway, I will check in with you guys as the day progresses, let you know how I'm feeling, let you know what we're doing, share with you guys what I'm working on. Hey guys, so I decided to come up here. I'm going to try to, the goal is to get enough insert stamped to put into the cards I have made. Somewhere I have a bunch of pre-printed, pre-stamped ones. They might be in the closet, I'm not sure. So I'm going to look for those. If not, I have some 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 white cards already pre-cut that I can just stamp. And I also have a handful of these, which are a little bit smaller. So hopefully I can quickly do that. That way I can start sending out what I have made. Those still need to be embellished. These are embellished and ready to go. So if I do that, maybe I can at least get some of these cards out and start getting my desk cleared off so I can start working on next year's craft journal. So I am going to, one of the things I want to do is actually go through this stuff real quick and see what I can put up on my rack over here. And I need to pull out my pink ink and my red ink from my ink tower there and get to stamping. I do have a peridot in the drawer that's a smaller stays-on pad, but so I'm on this side of the desk because I was like, oh, I could go ahead and start moving that stuff over there and see what can be moved over there, because that's how my brain works. Anyway, The orange one's still asleep in my spot on the sofa, so maybe I can get, 45 minutes in here before he starts harassing me. So, oh, somebody asked me the other day where this cross came from. So one of my friends, her husband made that for us, and it was hanging up in the kitchen previously. So I hung it in here this time. But it's very pretty. I really love the cross. So anyway, I will check in with you guys here in a little bit. Well, guys, it looks like me being able to do anything upstairs again has come to an end. He stole my seat on the sofa. He laid there for about 2.5 hours. And now will not let me do anything. Absolutely nothing at all. I did, yeah, there's still cat butt under my arm here, get a stack of these ready to send out, but I was hoping to get this last dozen stamped here and ready to go. Oh, maybe he'll go into his little, sometimes he'll just curl up in there. When he's awake, he wants to be like all up in your business and like together and on top of you. And then half the time when he's asleep in the afternoon, he's like, yeah, whatever, I'm good. I'm gonna hang out here. Like I said, furry toddlers. Hey guys, so it's 5 o'clock. Troy's on his way home. I've got some mushroom chicken soup going on the stove. I might check in later to let you guys know what I'm working on tonight, but there's really nothing to update you guys on. I went ahead and took an early shower and stuff, and I'm just kind of chilling. I got the kittens fed. Banner's full of chicken and beef heart mush stuff, and Pippin's got a tummy full of salmon and gravy, so I figured I'd give Banner a treat with one of his favorite foods. Pippin eats like 2 things at a time, so he didn't get like a special treat, but it is a food that he really likes. Wait, Banner? Oh, no, Pippin. What? Why? He's like, Mom's talking about Banner. I don't know what his deal is. But anyway, just kind of doing along here. Waiting on Troy. So I'll check in with you guys later tonight and let you know if I get anything else interesting done. I'm hoping to finish row 6 on my bed blanket maybe. I got 2 more squares left to add. So anyway.